Hey there, welcome all to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome back if you're returning. I'm Kshitij and I make DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos here on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a floral box wreath, and to make it, I'm going to take some pumpkins, florals, an embroidery hoop and a wooden crate. So to begin with, I have taken this medium size pumpkin and I have spray painted it with white chalk paint, and also one small pumpkin that can be opened from between, like it can open in two parts. So both of them I have colored nicely with two coats of white chalk paint. Once it is completely dry, I could see some cracks on the surface. So here I'm taking Mod Podge glue and I'm going to fill those cracks with some blue color glitter. This floral box wreath of mine is going to be inspired by the month of September, and definitely I'm going to use the fall colors, but I'm also going to use white and blue, and blue specifically because the gem of this month is sapphire and sapphire is blue, and I really like the color of sapphire blue. So I'm going to incorporate orange, white and blue as my theme for decorating this floral box wreath. So after Mod Podge, I'm going to lightly dust blue color glitter all over the surface of pumpkin and let it dry for a few minutes. I'm going to tap very gently the pumpkin and dust off the excess glitter, and with the help of brush I'm going to just smoothen everything so that the glitter just sticks onto it and the excess comes off nicely and it looks neat. So with a very light hand I'm just dusting off the excess of the glitter, and this ensures that there are no clumps of glitter on the surface. Now while the pumpkin is drying, I'm going to make a bow, and for that I've taken this beautiful sapphire blue ribbon and it has a glitter finish, and I think it will look very good with the white pumpkin that I have here. So to start making the bow, I have taken one end of the ribbon and I have just tucked in into a loop from one end. Next, I need to ensure that always when we make loops, the front portion needs to be on top. So for that I'm just twisting the ribbon, and again I'm going to make a loop. This time the loop is going to be slightly bigger than the one I made just now. The size of the loop is going to be slightly an inch or half of an inch bigger than the one I made just now, and again I'm going to twist it from the bottom, and again we have the right side up like so. You can see how I'm doing over here, and now this time the size of the loop will be exactly same as the one I made just now. That means the one that I made in the middle is going to be smaller and the other two are going to be slightly bigger. You can take the size maybe like starting with 2 inches and then 3 inches size, and then similarly I'm going to make two more of the similar loops. This time the size of the loops is going to be slightly bigger. That means we are going to make loops of size 4 inches. Now the two loops that I'm going to make are going to be slightly away from the first two that I made, so that it gives a nice bow kind of pattern. So friends, let me tell you about the challenge that I'm participating in today, and the challenge is what month is it, and the DIYs today are inspired by the month of September. So the birthstone for the month of September is blue sapphire, and the flowers for this month are aster, and I think I love both of them because the sapphire blue color is really so royal, so regal, and it actually catches the eye. So that is the reason I'm using sapphire blue in my decor today, and I've also used fox aster flowers, and I'm going to show you in a bit. Today's challenge is hosted by Tami over Happiness Created, and the special guest host today is Annalee from Annalee Ashby, and Shawnie from Glitzy Stitches DIY, and Ellie from DIY from House to Home are the co-hosts today, and I have linked all the channels in the description box below. Do check them out, they are superb creators, and also check out the playlist for the other creators who are creating today, and you're going to get tons of inspiration. So moving on to finishing off my bow, I cut off the excess of the ribbon, and I'm going to just put in through the middle portion of the loops that I created, and I'm going to pull it from inside. After I secured the bow, I'm going to cut off the excess, and for that I've just done 2 slanting cuts, and my bow is almost done, and I'm going to secure the bow with the help of floral wire so that it doesn't come off easily and it is tight. So now that my bow is secured, I'm going to take this wooden crate and an embroidery hoop, and I have colored them with white acrylic paint. I'm going to glue this embroidery hoop from the inside onto the wooden crate like so. Now I'm going to decorate my box crate into a wreath form, and for that I have taken my white pumpkin that I just decorated, and I'm going to decorate from all the sides with some florals, and I have taken these maple leaves, and they are in bright dark orange color, and I think it looks pretty with the white and the shiny blue. I've also taken some aster flowers in gray color so that it tones down the bright orange, and a dark blue flower also, and this is how I have put together my floral wreath box here. I also got some fox acorns, and I'm going to glue those also on the top of the wreath form that I'm making. So basically I'm just going to cover one side of the embroidery hoop with these florals, and I'm going to leave the other side empty, and just at the top I'm going to place the blue bow that I made. Now you can see that the floral box wreath is almost done, and I wanted to deck the pumpkin a little bit more, so I'm placing these blue color gems that I had at hand. I'm going to randomly just glue them on the white pumpkins so as to add a little bit of more glam and more of the sapphire look to the DIY I just made. And this is how my floral box wreath turned out. It looks super gorgeous, and I think you can use it as an outdoor decor and also on tabletops, and you can also hang them on your front door, and I think they are going to look adorable. Let me know how did you like today's DIY, how this floral box wreath turned out. And I have done a little table decor with all the candles and some lights complementing the blue, white and orange theme. Let me know in the comment section below how did you like the color scheme, and how did you like this floral box tree. Thanks a lot for watching. I am really grateful to all my lovely viewers who post beautiful comments and like my videos. Keep doing it. I need all the support. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching today, and please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.